Hi, I have had several people ask me how I used my Silhouette software to create and a cut file to create holes using my Cameo so that I can stitch on a layout or other project. And so I thought I would do a really quick tutorial to show you how I do that because it's super easy. All right, so I have my file here that I'm going to use. This is one of the freebie Fridays that we had, I think, in April, and at the cut shop. So what I'm doing is I'm just selecting the cut file, and then I'm going to go over to line style, which is right here, and I'm going to select the third one down, which is a dashed line. See how it changed it? I'm going to change my line thickness to 0.23. Don't ask me how I came up with that. I can't recall, but it works for me, so that's why I use it. And then once I've done that, my file is ready to retrace. I go over to the tracing tool here and I select trace area. And when I do that, I'm going to select it all. And you can see that that all of the cut file has turned yellow, so it's ready to trace. And I just go ahead and I hit trace. Now, what I did by doing that, I'm going to zoom in here so that you can see a little bit better, is you can see that some of these, let's see if I can move that. This is what it looked like before, and it was just dotted lines. Now they're a little bit more like an actual hole. It's not exactly a hole, but it is close, and it is enough to get your needle through and not too much that the thread doesn't look like you just poked a hole with the needle, if that makes sense. So it's a perfect way to use your Cameo and the cut files that you love and not have to spend a whole bunch of time piercing the page prior to stitching. So I delete the old one and I keep the one that has all the dots, and then I'm done. Pretty easy. Thanks.